Hello everyone, welcome to the world of happiness. So today I'll be telling you about the quote which is as follows. Our greatest foes and whom we must chiefly combat are within. Once again I repeat the quote. Our greatest foes and whom we must chiefly combat are within. So, every individual person on this planet Earth is important. We all come from different backgrounds, have different culture, have different languages, have different cuisine, but on this platform, we all are one. Together we stand and are very strongly bonded to each other. Every individual person is unique. Everyone has some positive as well as negative qualities within ourselves. We should sit calmly and whenever a task is to be accomplished, which seems to be impossible, first we should plan accordingly, then go for a mission. Every time you might not get success, many hardships will be there which you have to overcome. First, realize your own inner capabilities. For any task which we want to accomplish, we have to examine ourselves. What negative thoughts or weakness we persist within ourselves. Some people may be too lazy. Some may not be disciplined. Someone may not have lack of confidence. Someone may lack hard work due to laziness. Some may plan but not implement it properly. Someone may lack the required skills for the particular task to be accomplished. So first of all, we have to realize what weakness or negative quality we have which will impact the task which we want to accomplish or the goal of life which we have decided for ourselves to accomplish. When we know ourselves properly, then we plan accordingly for the particular task to be accomplished. So we have to make ourselves ready and overcome these negativities, and then with proper planning and a strategy may move forward towards your goal of life. For example, if you are lazy, when you have to overcome it by making yourself work when you don't want to work. For this, you can set some daily targets or weekly targets for yourself, which will overcome laziness and you will become active. So these are the methods which you can apply on yourself. So mainly you have to examine yourself properly and then with full confidence and energy and in a regular basis move forward towards your goal of life which you have decided for yourself. It will make you grow much faster and in an efficient manner, and which will create wonders in your life. And when you will achieve your goal of life, you will become the most happiest and satisfied person present on this planet Earth, which will make people in your surrounding happy too, which ultimately brings world peace, world unity, and then there is development of humanity, and then there will be happiness all around and in everyone's lives. Thank you.